Good Sunday morning, everyone. This is a quick demonstration of the newest item in our shop, the Brother Correction Automatic 12 electric typewriter. A vintage typewriter from the late 70s or early 80s, I think. And of course we're going to have it with the original case, which I'll show how it's put on really fast. But just to quickly demonstrate that it works well, this is the on switch, and it's already plugged in, so I'll just turn it on here. Great. So it works really well when you turn it on. I'll just turn it on really fast again a second time to show how it. So it has good functionality there. And this is the case. This here is the original case. And it goes on pretty easily. You just put it over the top like this. And it should slide very easily on. Oh, maybe I need to press this. There it fits actually slightly. Let's see how that goes again. Yeah, when it snaps, when it clicks, then you know it's actually connected. So it clicks on really well, and just take the cord out. And it should, if it's in snug, so you can just take it up, and it lifts up rather easily into this position. So it's kind of like a briefcase. So there's the entire thing, and you can see it. As you can see, you can lift it off the ground, and it works really well. Okay, I'm glad what is I going to say? Oh yes, it's at $35 or your best offer. Something else with it. I'll just add, and it's yes, 30 best offer. What do you think's fair?